Hey, what's going on, guys? I have a Hisense Roku TV here. I'm going to show you how to perform a factory reset not using the remote. What you're going to be using is the reset button on the back of the TV. Now, this model, Hisense Roku TV model, it is on the left side. So here's my TV here. And if I look over here, it's on the left side. However, depending on your model, you might have it somewhere else on the back, so you want to look all over. Anyway, mine is right here. And you can see, I'm not sure if you can see this, but it says reset right here, and there's a little tiny button up here. You need to use a toothpick or like a pen to push and press that button. So what I'm going to do is press and hold that button, and I'm going to wait for the TV to boot back up. Okay, so first thing you got to do is go ahead and just make sure your TV is on. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do this right now. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and push it. Ready? Oops. Okay, so I just pressed the button and I didn't press and hold it. If you just press the button, it's just going to reboot the TV, okay? So again, let's go ahead and do this, okay? I'm going to go ahead and get ready to press and hold. Okay, here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Press and hold. I'm still holding it. It turned off the TV, okay? I'm still holding on to that reset button. Still holding. I'm waiting for it to turn back on. Now I'm going to go ahead and let go, okay? Now basically what's going to happen is it's going to reboot twice, okay? And this whole process takes about like a minute, but it's on here now. It's going to turn black, and it's going to boot back up, and it's going to be back to this Hisense Roku TV logo here. And then eventually it's going to boot up, and then you're going to have to start in the beginning with your setup. Okay, so it just turned off, and it's going to turn back on. Now we're waiting for it to boot back up completely. And then once it does, we'll be in the setup process. Okay, there we go. We're here. Let's get started. Pretty simple. Good luck.